The most unexpected item in my bag is... So this is an old Balenciaga city bag. I actually got it from, I think, the Real. I just really wanted a big bag, and I love the style of the city bags. Like, I love these little things. And I'm not sure what year, but I want to say it's like a 2004. And she's kind of beat up, but she's cute. All right, let's get into it. This bag is really cool. Okay, I'll start with my keys. I actually lost my keys, so my landlord gave me his keys, and so I have these USC keys, but I don't go to USC. Everyone asks me that when I pull my keys out for some reason. They're like, oh, you go to USC? No, I don't go. These are my Apple headphones. I prepared this because they're so dirty on this side. I was like, I'm gonna show them this way, but I wear these so much, even when I'm not listening to music, because sounds drive me crazy, so I'll just wear them and put the noise cancellation on. I have this sleep mask because I'm on the plane a lot and I hate the light and I hate when people like keep the blind thing open. So I always have this. I love it, and it's like really soft and it's cute, so yeah. I have my sunglasses, my Rick Owens. These are like my favorite sunglasses right now. I also sleep with sunglasses on a lot. Even when I'm like out, I'll put sunglasses on. If I'm tired, I'll just be like, yeah, so no one can tell that I'm asleep, but these are my sunglasses. I have this little hairbrush, because my hair is always tangled. Let's see. Oh, it's actually not that bad right now. I used to have like a little compact brush, but I don't know where it went, so I have this brush right now. I have my charger, because my phone is literally always dead. I have to take a charger with me everywhere, or else I'll just get lost and no one can contact me. Okay, everyone asked for my lip combo. This isn't actually my normal lip combo that I'm wearing today, but it's Maybelline Color Sensational, and it's 125 Magnetic Mauve. It's like a pinky color. And then this is the Charlotte Tilbury Kim K. So, yeah, that's my lip combo for today. And then this is the Mint Summer Fridays. I just started using this one. I'm like obsessed with lip balm. If there's nothing on my lips, like I actually feel crazy. I hate when my lips are bare and dry. My lips get really dry, so I always have to have something on my lips or I'm like, no lips. And then I got my wallet, just my wallet. I got this as a gift for Christmas. It was kind of dirty. It's my Christmas gift, and I'm not gonna show you my credit cards, but it's my wallet. And then I have my gum, of course. I have this big one. I usually have just like a regular one with the little sticks, but recently I've been liking these Mentos ones because they have like the inside filling, and I don't know why, I just really like these. And then I have my camera. It's an old camera. It's a Canon PowerShot SD800 IS, but I love this little camera. It's so cute. I usually have my little like dongle so I can just immediately plug it into my phone and upload them, but I don't have that with me today, but that's my camera. Now we're gonna open these little pockets. Okay, so I have my Dramamine. I have the worst motion sickness ever. It's so annoying, but I'm always nauseous, so I have to take this anytime I'm gonna get in a car, on a plane, like anything that's moving, basically. I have to take this. My Touchland hand sanitizer. I have these in every single one of my purses. Ever since COVID, I'm like obsessed with putting hand sanitizer on. All of a sudden I became a germaphobe, so I always have hand sanitizer. Oh, and then I have a lighter with my face on it. Oh, and then I have my claw clip. I always put my claw clip on this. I don't know why, it's just like easy, and I love putting my hair up. I have my Mario Badescu face mist. My face is so dry. Like I was saying, like I'm always dry. I don't know why. And then I have my Byredo Rose of No Man's Land hand lotion. My skin is dry. I always have to put this on. Also, it just smells good. Like I feel like sometimes throughout the day, you know, you just like feel like your scent's leaving you. So I'll just get this and I'll just put it on and I feel like I smell really good. It smells like roses. And then I have my Terry Mugler Alien little travel size one. This is my favorite scent. It smells so good. I've worn this since high school and I like to just keep one in my bag. Like I said, like I feel like my scent leaves throughout the day and I just have to respray it and it'll smell good. And then lastly, the most unexpected item in my bag is my taser. I live in a really crowded area, so you just never know. All right, guys, this is all my stuff that I keep with me. It's a mess. I keep a lot of stuff, but this is all my stuff, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure to go check out my new EP, Head Split, and I'll see you guys soon. To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.